From time to time, each of us will find ourselves in a rut of boredom and disinterest. We seem to lose our zest for life and feel tired, irritable and unmotivated. We want to hide under the covers rather than face the day. Perhaps you're feeling overwhelmed by work, or sad about the pain and suffering in the world, or just bored with the routine of your daily life. You are not alone. We all go through periods like this at some point. The good news is that we can do something about it. Here are some tips to help break out of the rut and feel excited about life again. 1. Take a time out. Prolonged stress can wear us down and zap any enthusiasm we once had. Before doing anything else, take a few minutes to breathe and just be. Empty your mind of all stress and worry. This takes practice, but don't give up. As thoughts come into your mind, gently push them back out and continue to keep your mind empty and calm. Take slow, deep breaths and let all of your muscles relax. 2. Get inspired. Read something motivational, inspirational, or uplifting. Look at some beautiful nature photos or read something humorous. Consciously move your thoughts to a more positive place. 3. Get excited. Think about the things you have planned for the day and rekindle the enthusiasm you once felt for them. When we first begin a new project or start a new job, we are excited about the possibilities and eager to get moving. Over time, we can lose that enthusiasm for a variety of reasons. Travel back in time for a moment and think about what got you so excited at the beginning. What made your heart beat a little faster? Recapture that feeling and hang on to it. 4. Baby steps. Sometimes the hardest part is actually getting started. Most often, once we actually start working on something, we won't want to stop. Don't focus on the big picture and get overwhelmed. Look at the smaller details, the smaller steps, and take them on one at a time. Any large task seems manageable once we break it down into smaller steps. 5. Care of the body. Sometimes our feelings of fatigue are caused by physical deficiencies, not mental. Be sure you are getting enough rest, eating food that nourishes your body, drinking enough water, getting enough exercise, etc. Finally, remember to reward yourself from time to time and be gentle with yourself. There will always be things that need to be done, but some of us take on way more than we can handle. Try to eliminate the things that truly don't bring joy, or at least minimize the time you spend on them. Do what you can and let the rest go, or ask for help. Don't feel you have to do everything yourself. Remember that motivation is something we choose. We may need to give ourselves a little push at the beginning, but once we get into the right mindset, it's simple to stay there if we choose to.